AI, it's everywhere. From the apps on our phones to the algorithms that recommend what we watch next on streaming services, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But what does it actually mean for your business? How can this technology, which seems so complex, be harnessed to drive growth and efficiency in your company? In simple terms, AI is like giving your computer a brain. Imagine your computer not just following commands, but actually understanding and learning from the data it processes. It can learn, adapt, and make decisions based on the information it gathers. This isn't just about automation, it's about creating systems that can improve over time. This means it can do things we used to think only humans could do. Think about it, tasks that require understanding, reasoning, and even creativity can now be handled by AI. AI can understand your customers better than ever before by analyzing vast amounts of data. It can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to see. It can personalize their experiences, tailoring recommendations and interactions to meet individual needs and preferences. This level of personalization can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, and it can help you make smarter decisions faster. By providing insights and predictions based on data, AI can guide your strategic planning and operational decisions. The best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to use AI. There are user-friendly tools designed for people with no technical background. There are tons of tools out there that are easy to use and can make a huge difference in your business. From customer service chatbots to predictive analytics platforms, AI tools can streamline operations, reduce costs, and open up new opportunities for growth. In marketing, AI can help you target the right audience with the right message at the right time. It can analyze customer behavior and preferences to create highly effective marketing campaigns. In supply chain management, AI can optimize logistics, predict demand, and manage inventory more efficiently. This can lead to significant cost savings and improved service levels. In finance, AI can analyze financial data to detect fraud, assess credit risk, and provide investment recommendations. This can enhance the accuracy and reliability of financial decision-making. In healthcare, AI can assist in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatment plans, and even predicting patient outcomes. This can lead to better patient care and more efficient healthcare delivery. In human resources, AI can streamline the recruitment process, identify the best candidates, and even predict employee performance and retention. This can help you build a stronger, more effective team. In education, AI can provide personalized learning experiences, adapt to individual student needs, and even automate administrative tasks. This can enhance the learning experience and improve educational outcomes. Even in creative industries, AI is making its mark. From generating art and music to writing content and designing products, AI is expanding the boundaries of creativity. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. It's important to consider the ethical implications of AI and ensure that it is used responsibly and transparently. The future of AI is full of potential. As the technology continues to evolve, it will open up new possibilities and transform the way we live and work. Embracing AI today can position your business for success in the future. Let's face it, customer service can make or break your business. It's the front line of your brand, the first impression, and often the lasting one. A single positive interaction can turn a one-time buyer into a loyal customer, while a negative experience can drive them straight to your competitors. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect quick, efficient, and friendly service. They want their issues resolved promptly and their questions answered accurately. This is where technology, especially AI, comes into play. AI can help you provide amazing customer service 24/7. Imagine having a team that never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to assist your customers. AI-powered tools can handle a multitude of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to providing detailed product information. They can manage high volumes of inquiries without getting overwhelmed, ensuring that every customer receives the attention they deserve. Chatbots are a great example. They can answer questions, resolve issues, and even upsell products, all without human intervention. These virtual assistants can be programmed to understand and respond to a wide range of queries, making them incredibly versatile. They can guide customers through troubleshooting steps, help them find the right products, and even suggest additional items based on their preferences and past purchases. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also boosts your sales. Imagine this. A customer messages your business at 3 in the morning with a question. In the past, they would have had to wait until business hours for a response, potentially leading to frustration and dissatisfaction. But with AI, that's no longer the case. A chatbot instantly responds and solves their problem. The customer is happy. They feel valued and appreciated because their issue was addressed immediately, regardless of the time. This level of service can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. You get to sleep. Win-win. Not only does AI improve the customer experience, but it also allows you to focus on other important aspects of your business. You can rest easy knowing that your customers are being taken care of, even when you're not available. AI can also analyze customer data to identify patterns and predict future behavior. By examining past interactions, purchase history, and other relevant data, AI can provide valuable insights into your customers' needs and preferences. This information can be used to tailor your marketing strategies, improve your products, and offer personalized recommendations. This helps you personalize interactions and provide proactive support. Instead of reacting to issues as they arise, you can anticipate your customers' needs and address them before they become problems. This proactive approach not only improves customer satisfaction, but also builds trust and strengthens your relationship with your customers. In conclusion, leveraging AI in customer service is a game changer. It enhances efficiency, improves customer satisfaction, and allows you to stay ahead of the competition. So, level up your customer service with AI and watch your business thrive. We live in a data-driven world, but data is useless unless you can understand it. AI can help you make sense of your data. It can analyze huge amounts of information in seconds. This reveals hidden patterns and insights that you can use to make better decisions. For example, AI can identify your most profitable customer segments. This allows you to target your marketing efforts more effectively and boost your return on investment. AI can also forecast future trends and demand. This helps you optimize your inventory, pricing, and resource allocation. Marketing is all about reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. In today's fast-paced digital world, this can be a daunting task. However, with the advent of artificial intelligence, or AI, the landscape of marketing is transforming dramatically. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary tool that can elevate your marketing efforts to new heights. AI can be your secret weapon. Imagine having a tool that can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that would take humans days or even weeks to uncover. This is the power of AI. It can help you understand your audience better, predict trends, and make data-driven decisions that enhance your marketing strategy. AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks like email marketing and social media posting. These tasks, while essential, can be time-consuming and often take you away from more strategic activities. With AI, you can schedule posts, send out emails, and even respond to customer inquiries automatically, ensuring that your marketing efforts are consistent and timely. This frees up your time so you can focus on strategy and creativity. Imagine having more time to brainstorm innovative campaigns, develop compelling content, and engage with your audience on a deeper level. AI takes care of the mundane tasks, allowing you to unleash your creative potential and drive your business forward. AI can also personalize your marketing messages based on individual customer preferences and behavior. By analyzing data such as browsing history, purchase patterns, and social media activity, AI can create highly targeted campaigns that speak directly to each customer. This level of personalization can significantly increase the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. This leads to higher engagement, conversions, and customer lifetime value. When customers feel understood and valued, they're more likely to engage with your brand, make purchases, and remain loyal over time. AI helps you build stronger relationships with your customers, ultimately driving growth and profitability. Imagine this: your marketing campaigns are running smoothly, are on autopilot, delivering personalized messages that resonate with your audience. You can monitor and adjust your strategies in real time, ensuring that your campaigns are always optimized for the best results. AI provides you with the tools to stay ahead of the competition and continuously improve your marketing performance. That's the power of AI. It's not just about automation, it's about enhancing every aspect of your marketing efforts. From data analysis to customer engagement, AI empowers you to achieve more with less effort. Embrace the future of marketing with AI and unlock the full potential of your business. A smooth and efficient supply chain is crucial for any business. AI can help you optimize every step of the process. AI can predict demand fluctuations, optimize inventory levels, and automate warehouse operations. This reduces costs, improves efficiency, and minimizes delays. Imagine this: your products are always in stock, your deliveries are always on time, and your customers are always happy. That's the power of AI in supply chain management. Personalized experiences equals happy customers. Personalization is key to winning customers in today's competitive market. AI can help you create tailored experiences that wow your audience. Imagine this: a customer visits your website. AI analyzes their past behavior and recommends products they're most likely to love. The customer feels understood and valued, leading to increased sales and loyalty. AI can also personalize email content, chatbot interactions, and even product recommendations within your app. This level of personalization creates a truly unique and memorable customer experience. AI tools you can use today. You don't need to be a tech giant to start using AI. There are tons of user-friendly tools available for businesses of all sizes. For customer service, check out chatbots like Intercom or Drift. For marketing, explore platforms like HubSpot or MailChimp. And for data analysis, try Google Analytics or Tableau. The key is to start small, experiment, and see what works best for your business. Remember, AI is a journey, not a destination. The future is now. Don't get left behind. AI is not a passing trend. It's the future of business. The sooner you embrace it, the better positioned you'll be for success. Companies that adopt AI are gaining a competitive advantage. They're improving efficiency, boosting profits, and creating incredible customer experiences. Don't wait. Start exploring AI today and unlock the limitless possibilities it holds for your business. Your AI journey starts now. Take the first step. Identify one area of your business where AI can make a difference. Research available tools and start experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn as you go. Remember, AI is a powerful tool that can transform your business, but it's up to you to take advantage of it. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Embrace the power of AI. Watch your business soar to new heights. The future is here. Are you ready to be a part of it? Subscribe to Legit Business Club for more pro tips.